welcome back. I have some very, fun news to share with you guys before I get into the video. This disclaimer is going to be on the rest of my videos for the rest of the year. I've got 6 videos for the rest of the year, so this is the vibe. So I just kind of want to give you guys an update on my business journey, my entrepreneurship journey, and all of that kind of stuff. It's been so much fun helping all of my business owners and entrepreneurs out there, but the time has come for me to change things up a little bit in my business. I am introducing my membership club called UVSN at the top of the year, and in that paid membership club you will get exclusive things like the educational videos that I posted on my YouTube before right this moment, monthly masterclasses bringing tons of value, one-on-one coaching opportunities, weekly live Q&A sessions with me, and so much more, you guys. So all of this goes to say that for the rest of the year, my educational videos are going to be a little condensed as I'm preparing to just kind of switch gears and give that exclusive content to my members in UVSN. So I'm already planning for 2021. I've been planning for 2021 for quite some time. So if you're a business owner and you're an entrepreneur, you should be too. You need to be in the planning stages or thinking about what you're gonna have going on, goodness, in 2021. But anyways, let's get into it. I've got some things that you should consider or think about before you make any decisions in 2021. The first thing to think about is that there is no perfect decision. It's just life. It's the truth. A lot of times you don't know the alternative and you never will. So how can you really determine whether or not the decision you made was the right decision or the best decision or I think just the right decision? Whatever decision you make, you're never going to know how the other decision or the other choice played out. That's just life. There's no way of truly knowing. Everybody thinks that there are perfect decisions out there, but I, Jayla B, am here to tell you that there is none. I'm sorry, there is no perfect decision out there. So pick a choice and be happy with it. Second thing to consider is instead of trying to make that perfect decision, create more opportunities. Create more 10 to 15 minute opportunities to open the gateway for new relationships. I did this in my own business. I only offered consulting calls for an hour, but I wanted to give more value to my audience. So I opened up 15-minute discovery calls, and those are free. So if you want to book a discovery call with me, visit my website and book it. It's free. Be more efficient with what you do so that you can do more things. And so you don't have to worry about the subjective factors controlling whether or not something was the right or the perfect decision. In other words, do everything you can so that you have more time to create more opportunities for your business. Third thing to consider is that 9 out of 10 times, the decision that you make the quickest is usually the best. I don't say the right and I don't say the perfect decision, but the best. This, however, doesn't mean that you shouldn't be thoughtful when you're making a decision. It means to trust yourself. Don't spend every day overthinking and overwhelming yourself with everything out there in the world. Be great by not overthinking your every move. And the fourth thing to consider, stop caring what others think about your losses. So don't be afraid to make a decision because you're afraid that it may not be the right decision or the best decision and that you may lose. Who cares? Your loss is your loss, not anyone else's. Once you get to a place where you really don't care what people think, you get to a place where you can move much faster. When you're not spending time worrying, you're spending time executing. I hate to say it, but speed matters more in the business world than ever today. So stop spending time worrying what other people think. You should be in execution mode. That's all I got for you guys. Please consider these things when you are making decisions, especially business decisions in 2021 and even in 2020 as you're watching this video. I'm so pumped for next year, so stay tuned with everything that I have going on. So I'm wishing you guys a very happy Christmas, a happy New Year. I don't exactly know when I'm gonna post this video, but 2020, it's been a ride. So thanks for sharing it with me. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next year. Toodles.